Welcome once again to your Aslo Easy channel. Today we are going to show you 4 ways to hang your long garments in order to maximize your closet space and avoid wrinkles. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. For our first way, we will put our dress face down. We will fold one side as you are seeing, and with the other side we'll do the same thing, taking the end to the opposite end. We introduce the hanger in the upper part and slide it until almost the end of the dress. I always recommend non-slip hangers. In the description I leave the link so you can see where to buy them. Now we just need to introduce the excess through the hanger and we have it. It can happen that we have a dress with neckline but in the back, which is not the case of this dress, it is closed. The technique would be the same as the previous one, but instead of putting the dress face down, we would put it face up. Face down, we would put it face up. What if the dress has no neckline? Don't worry, we also give you 2 solutions. We put the dress upside down and do exactly the same as we have seen before. The difference is that this time we will need 2 hangers. We place the first one at the top and the second one at the bottom, as you are seeing. Make sure to put the hangers in the same direction. It's important, right? And here you have it ready to hang in the closet without wrinkling the end of the dress. Here we are with the last way of how to hang our long garments. We put the hanger at the top and the procedure is the same as we have seen before. The change comes here. We have to make a small fold at the bottom, and in this case we use a clothes hanger. This shape is very useful when it's a trouser dress. Now all we have to do is put the hangers together and that's it. It is true that maybe it is too bulky, so you have this other option. Hook it on the bottom of the hanger and that's it. Perfect. We hope you like these videos and that you find them very useful. See you next time.